Here we are, Crocodile Jungle Boat Tour in San Blas, Nayarit, Mexico.
Let's go.
Crocodile around the clock.
Hay una garza blanca pequeñita. Sí, ¿verdad? Unos 6, 5 años.
Hay un cocodrilario.
No tengan miedo, que nos ataque o algo por el estilo, no pasa nada. Ya están acostumbrados ellos al mundo,
Who am I?
Yeah, more teeth. Show those chompers.
Unas 14 o 15 caballas, nada más que ya es una película que ya tiene mucho tiempo filmada. A las cabañas les estamos dando mantenimiento cada que lo necesitan. Si tenemos suerte, posiblemente nos toque ver cocodrilos también, por aquí por esta área, Aquí andan libres todo esto.
That's a red-eared slider.
Mire, el cocodrilo está al fondo, al fondo.
Oh, and a little crocodile. And they're all like, run!
How are we supposed to grab the rope?
Run and jump.
I suppose. That's what you have to do. Hola.
Instead of taking a cab for 60 pesos, you can take a white bus to La Tobara for only 15 pesos. All you have to do is get off as soon as you see the colorful La Tobara sign, and you'll be right there where the tour starts. The tour company wants 800 pesos total for each boat, so it's best to rally a group of 4 people, so you have to pay just 200 pesos each and you get the best view without having a lot of people in your way along the tour. Almost all the guides speak Spanish, so if you only speak English, make sure to ask for an English-speaking guide so that you understand everything about the animals, nature, and the tour itself along the way. People recommend going early in the morning to see the most wildlife on your tour. Don't forget to bring your swimsuit, bug spray, plenty of sunscreen, and lots of water to stay hydrated throughout the day. With these tips, you should be good to go for your jungle boat tour and seeing crocodiles, fish, swimming at the end, and maybe you'll get a margarita like we did. Hope you enjoy!
Bye.